reliable, durable, and customizable. Hello boss, this is Hubei off-road special vehicle. This is a 6x6 chassis of drill truck. You can see the whole truck looks strong and rigid, which is our feature. 260 horsepower mechanical fuel injection engine and 8-speed manual transmission, simple and durable. Double layer frame and strong axle make the gross mass over 25 tons, massive. With 5 meters superstructure length, you can install a big rig on it. PTO and winch is already equipped, makes things easier for you. We even installed a protective grid on the light. As a manufacturer, we produce and export ourselves. Want to know cost how much to get it? Contact us.